So yeah, so this video is going to be called my Teespring check. And this is the second check that I've gotten from Teespring. But I've been with Teespring for a really long time. I'm probably about at least 3 years. And when I first started with Teespring, I thought it was going to be easy because the videos that I saw were people saying that, you know, they were selling all of these t-shirts and doing all this grand stuff. But what I found out really quick was that advertising can be really expensive because a lot of people say, go on Facebook and take out some ads from Facebook, or, you know, create your ads on Facebook. So I did that, but you want to create a budget. When you're first starting out on Teespring, you're starting from scratch. You don't have a budget for it. If you have absolutely no budget for it, I would say try to figure out the freest ways to advertise first, as much as you can, before doing Facebook ads, because those Facebook ads can add up. I'm very thankful overall. Like, the check that I recently made was $41, and the first check I had was 35 or something, 34. And I think I took that check out probably, you know, because you can ask them to either send you a handwritten check, or you can do it they'll send you your money through PayPal. But I wanted mine by check because PayPal takes out $1. So I didn't feel like doing the whole PayPal fee thing. And plus, it's something like, it's like a positive affirmation. When you actually have the check in your hand and you see it, it makes it more real to you than when it's just all done online. But I just like the check. I like the check. So I have the check on my positive affirmation board, but definitely gonna deposit it before those 90 days are up. Anyway, my point is, don't take it. I know a lot of people are saying do Facebook ads, you'll make a lot of sales at Facebook ads, but when I did it for probably the first 6 months, and I think I took out about $300 worth of Facebook ads. It was not worth it to me. I made not one sale at that time. But much later on, probably like a year later or two, when I wasn't even pushing the t-shirts anymore, because I was able to fund the Facebook ads. So it didn't, you know, it doesn't hurt if you have, like I said, if you have a budget, but don't go over that budget for it. Because as you can see, I have not made that money back from doing Facebook ads, which I did, you know, like I said, probably about a couple years ago. I've probably been with Teespring for about 2-3 years now. I'm hoping that you get these tips that I'm saying, because you don't want to spend out more than what you're getting back in, because that is very discouraging. You can get another job. If you do want to do Facebook ads, or you want to do something where you have to pay somebody to advertise for you, like an influencer, definitely get a part-time job to fund that business, or to fund, you know, your t-shirt business, or even a full-time job. You can, and just a certain amount of money. This is just for advertisement for, you know, my new venture, and make sure that you're making your money back, you know. So don't put out a lot of money before you see income. Make sure you see income that's going right along with what you're putting out. I didn't really have a budget. I was just trying to see if I could see results, and I probably sold like 1 or 2 shirts during that time, and I was just like, you know what, I don't have the time to really invest into this business. And you do need time, because you need to be able to advertise for your t-shirts, and advertising is what's gonna matter. Advertising, marketing, paying influencers for ads, these are the things that are gonna make your business either sink or swim, you know. So usually, like I said, you can look at YouTube videos for free advertising, ways to get free advertising for your t-shirts. Teespring is a beautiful company. I really like it. I think there are some companies that their base product is cheaper than Teespring, but Teespring is more well known. A lot of people feel very confident and comfortable with, taking out their credit card and paying for something from Teespring quicker than they probably would some of the lesser known companies. But if you want to start off with a like the base amount of the product to be less, you can start with some other companies. I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, the number one tip that I would tell anyone or give anyone is to not put out more than, don't pay more for advertising than what you're profiting. Make sure that you're making your commissions from Teespring and use that money to put back into your ads. If there's no other tip I can give you, that's the biggest tip I can give you. So far I've made $75 from that $300 that I put into ad. I'm gonna keep working on it and see what else I can do with it, because really the sky's the limit, and like I said, you are your business and it's up to you to make your business sink or swim. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.